Want to make your videos look cinematic fast? Let's make this cinematic light leaks title scene using only items from CandyMustache.com. It takes just a couple of minutes, and you don't need to be a Premiere Pro expert to follow along. And the best part, you get unlimited downloads for just $14 a month or $9.90 if you go annual. Let's do it. This is me, and the first thing I would like to fix is the color of the scene and the color of my skin. So I'm gonna go to the CandyMustache.com, to the Universal Assets, and I'll go for the LUTs. And I'll search a little bit here what suits to my scene. There are plenty of LUTs you can find. I need something that will boost my skin. I think this is the best one. And click download. That's it. Now inside Premiere, I'll go to the Lumetri and I'm gonna apply that into my clip. And in the creative part, I will apply the LUT that I have downloaded. Always LUT are super high, so I'm gonna reduce a little bit the intensity. I think we're okay right now. Let's go for the light leaks. Back to our website, into the Universal Assets, categories, light leaks. And I'm really proud for those light leaks. I have created those with my cinematic camera, so everything here is custom. And I need something with color, and I can preview them really fast here. And I think this one is the best one. Click to download it, couple of seconds, and I will drag and drop it into our Premiere Pro and to our scene. That's cool. Now let's change the blending mode so you can see my pretty face, and I will go with add. And also we can create a fade in with the opacity a little bit, so we have to go with a hard cut. That's okay. And to boost a little bit that light leak, I will hold Alt and drag and drop it into the channel above. That's cool. Now let's find our titles. I'll go to the Premiere Pro templates. I'll choose the titles category, and you can see a lot of things, a lot of moggarts here, but for this one, I will go with the native Premiere Pro project that we have. I think this one is the best one. Download it and unzip it. I will import that into our project. I'll create a folder, of course, always to have things organized. I'm gonna open that and I'll start previewing things that are inside. Drag and drop. I cannot, yeah, because I have to enable the view one right here. Perfect. Again, drag and drop it. Now, because we have light leaks, I can adjust a little bit the duration of those by stretching the duration of the light leak. 1, 2, that's okay. And I will open that sequence with a title. Delete the background, we don't need that. Highlight that and go to the properties. Select this one, the main title. I'm gonna type light leaks because it's the thing we're doing right now. Change the color. You can go with whatever you like. I'll go with white for this one, and also adjust the size. I need that to be bigger. Let's see what we have done. I think it's pretty cool. Also, you can adjust the colors and the shapes and whatever you like of the other elements of that scene. And we can play around with the blending mode of the light leaks. We can adjust the first one. Let's say try something. I don't like it. Something else. That's even better. Even better. So that's all. Visit CandyMustache.com. and play around with crazy amount of templates we have right there. If you have any questions, comment below. Happy to help. See ya!